Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a concise inventory. Write 5 limiting beliefs, quickly and without judgment. Then, rate each belief from 0 to 10 for emotional intensity, so you know where to target effort. Once done, pick the single most reactive belief and schedule 15 minutes a day for 1 week to work on it. This avoids overwhelm and builds momentum. Make sure to set a simple timer and a dedicated spot, because consistent repetition rewires thought patterns. You now examine the belief like a scientist. List concrete evidence that supports it and evidence that contradicts it. This evidence mapping reduces distortion. Then ask targeted Socratic questions. How do I know this is true? What would I lose by letting it go? To expose assumptions. Once you have contradictions, craft 3 alternative, empowering statements and repeat them aloud. Try variations because language shapes feeling. Make sure to pair repetition with small behavioral experiments that prove that you finish by converting insight into habit. Create a 7-day micro-habit with 2 daily reminders and a single small action tied to each reminder, so change becomes routine. Then, journal 1 brief line each evening about what shifted. That feedback loop reinforces new beliefs. If progress stalls, identify immediate triggers and either tweak the environment or cut the challenge in half. This troubleshooting keeps you moving forward without losing confidence. Make sure to celebrate tiny wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.